protein, metabolism, and general nutrition. Metabolism is a very complicated thing to understand and even more difficult to consciously regulate. You have to supply your body with the right amount of food at the right time. If you don't eat enough, your metabolism will stop just about completely. Digestion begins before you even eat any food. It starts when you begin to feel hungry. Your body will send out signals that it needs food, and your brain will cause your stomach to be ready for food and make you feel hungry until the urge to eat is irresistible. Once your body has determined you've had enough, your brain sends out the full signal and you are no longer hungry. Unfortunately, all those messages sent back and forth could take as long as 20 minutes, which means someone who eats quickly may continue to eat long after being full. Fast eaters often tend to overeat, which leads to being overweight. Eating too little is just as bad as overeating, because it can damage your metabolism. If you're hungry and your body does not sense any food coming in, you'll get hungrier and hungrier. When that hunger is ignored, your body will shut down your metabolism to preserve energy, which helps to stave off possible starvation. All the food you eat is processed in the same manner, but at different rates. There are also certain disorders that can slow your metabolism or alter the way your body stores food in the process of digestion. Diabetes is one such disorder, where the way certain foods are broken down and stored is changed. Disorders that strike the thyroid gland can also have an effect on your metabolism. The inner workings of metabolism: your body is always burning energy. You even need energy to sleep. While you're asleep, you're still breathing, your heart is still beating, there are any number of involuntary processes that require energy. All the food you eat is combined with oxygen and broken down into its smallest components. When you need energy right away, some of the food, now converted to calories, will be burned. If you have more calories in your body than you need, it'll be stored as either glycogen or fat. This is one of the main causes of weight gain, when the body has more food than it needs to burn, though metabolic glitches can also cause weight gain. Another factor in metabolism is thermogenesis, which is heat generated during the process of digestion. The amount of physical activity you engage in also causes more calories to be burned, naturally. Muscles use up more calories by their very presence, even while sleeping, a great deal more than fat does. Your muscles can continue to burn calories after exercise for up to 24 hours. Men tend to have a higher metabolism than women, and age can affect the metabolic rate, causing it to get slower with age. The role of protein in metabolism: protein is the macronutrient that takes the most effort to digest, which means it takes the most energy. The slow-burning nature of protein means it will also help you feel full for longer periods of time, which means you'll be inclined to eat less. Protein also has a very high rate of thermogenesis. Out of everything we consume, only alcohol has a higher thermogenesis increase than protein. Protein is made up of amino acids, and amino acids are a necessary part of the digestion process. These amino acids are converted into many of the hormones and enzymes used in a number of bodily functions. Protein sources are categorized as either complete or incomplete. Complete meaning that the source contains all of the 9 essential amino acids that the human body cannot produce on its own. All protein sources derived from animals are complete, not only meat, but dairy products and eggs as well. All plant-derived proteins, on the other hand, are incomplete with the sole exception of soy. This means that plant proteins should be eaten in combinations that ensure a full complement of essential amino acids. Constant confusion: when your body is used to a certain routine of eating, it comes to expect that and starts to lose efficiency. Eating the same foods in the same amounts every day will slow down your metabolism, and any weight loss you may have been attempting will grind to a halt. Vary what you eat and when you eat, and your body will not fall into a predictable rut, keeping your metabolism at the same rate and your weight loss steady. There is another good reason to follow a varied diet: eating the same thing every day can get boring and make it very tempting to break the routine and cheat on the diet. Protein supplements: instead of 3 big meals, smaller meals about 3 or 4 hours apart will keep your metabolism running at a constant rate. Protein supplements used as a snack between meals can be especially helpful. ProfectR, a liquid protein supplement shot from Protica, has 25 full grams of protein, no carbohydrates, no fats and only 100 calories. Not only does it make a great snack, but a ProfectR at the start of a meal can help you eat less. Protein as a weight loss aid: stay away from the fad diets if you're trying to lose weight. They tend to do more harm than good. Abstaining from eating doesn't work either, as shown above. A conversation with a doctor or a nutritionist may just reveal that your metabolism needs a little help to get back into shape, and that can be done with some minor changes in the diet, to start with. You may be surprised at the difference just 500 fewer calories per day and a little more exercise will make. The use of ProfectR during the day to keep away hunger and keep your metabolism going strong will help you go a long way toward achieving your health goals. As you lose weight, you'll need to adjust how many calories you need as your body gets smaller, until you reach your optimal size.